Okay, here I want to start my video on how to change a bicycle tire in just a few easy minutes. First, I'm using channel locks, but you don't have to use channel locks. You can use vice grips or any type of device that's able to take bolts and nuts off. Then I'm going to take a Phillips screwdriver and I'll take this off. This clamp to keep the brake. That's for the brakes. Remember, don't lose these screws. You got to keep up with them, or you may not be able to use your bicycle properly. Okay, that's the removal of the back tire. Still with me? Okay. Now, taking the tire and tube off, I always take the whole thing off at one time if I'm capable of doing it. Take the valve stem, take it in nice and gently. Be easy with it. Make sure that you have enough room in order to get the tire off. Then you just pull towards you and separate the rim from the tire. Easy does it. That's the old tube. Has a couple of patches, a little worn out. It's due for a new one anyway. Since this is a 26-inch bicycle, I'll be using a 26-inch tube by Bell. Pretty good tubes. Now I just reverse the process that I started with. I have this baby in no time. Oh, first, before installing the tube, you want to check the tire. This is the way that I've learned since I was a kid. You check the tire by rubbing inside with your fingertips, and don't rub too roughly because it may be something that can cut you, but just gently rub it until you feel something sticking out of the tire, and that would pretty much tell you if you have something inside the tire that needs to be removed. Also, remember where your starting point was so you don't forget. Now I'm going to do this for a few minutes. And being that I've been doing it so long, it's pretty easy for me. Okay. Seems there's nothing in the tire. So now I'm going to add the tube into the tire. As so. A little bit at a time. Until it's completely in. And I usually put the whole tube in to avoid pinches. A pinch in a tire can leave you with the same exact problem that you had from the beginning, and that's a flat tire. So now that we've got all that done, I'll attach the tube, and I'll reverse the steps by just tucking everything in at the same time because my tire is big enough to fit. Some tires aren't big enough, so you may have to use a tool in order to get it on there properly. But being that this is a good fit, it pops right on there very easily. Add the chain on. Make sure it's secure. Pull back on the bicycle tire for tightness. Remember, this is all manual. There's no machines being used to take care of this. So, yeah. attach the brake. Kind of hard to do with gloves, so I'm going to do this without gloves. Definitely having a little trouble there. Nothing but a little elbow grease can't fix. Alright, now that the brake's on, pull it back on there for, make sure you got the right tightness. And like I said, I'm using channel locks, but you can use vice grips or socket wrench. Even a monkey wrench. I mean, whatever you have available as a tool, if it's usable, you just use it. I mean, now assuming that this tire has no holes in it, that would complete the video. Because now all you would really do from here is inflate it. Once it's inflated, you're back on the road again. Thanks for watching with me. Look down, subscribe. Hey, this is first plug-in for the first video. There are many more to come.